Everyone wants to make millions with AI in 2025, but here's the truth. The best ways to make money with AI are boring. They're not flashy, they won't make you rich overnight, and you won't see them in a Lamborghini ad. But if you're consistent, these boring methods can put up to $500 a week in your pocket and $26,000 every year. So the first one and the fastest way is AI freelancing. The most boring yet the most reliable. Businesses will already pay you for video editing, scripting, writing, and social media posts. AI doesn't replace these things, it makes you superhuman at it. A blog post that takes the average writer 5 hours, you can use ChatGPT to draft it in 20 minutes. Social media calendars, you can generate a full month of captions in a single afternoon. Even copywriting for ads, instead of staring at a blank page, you can generate 20 variations instantly and pick the strongest. The boring part is actually getting started. You'll probably have to make a Fiverr profile, send out 30 proposals, and deal with a lot of rejections. But here's the reality. You only need 3 to 5 recurring clients to hit $500 a week. Each of them pays you, say, $200 a month for small tasks, and at that point, you're already there. This isn't glamorous, but with AI freelancing, it gives you a skill set that stacks. It makes you faster, better, and honestly, much harder to replace. The second point is print on demand with AI templates. This one is deceptively boring. You're not building Gucci or Supreme, you're making mugs, t-shirts, or digital planners that people impulse buy on Etsy, Redbubble, or Gumroad. And instead of paying a designer, with AI, you can use Midjourney, Dolly, or Canva AI and create 50 designs in one afternoon. You can use trendy quotes on t-shirts, posters and wallpapers with aesthetic AI generated art, digital journals, budget trackers, or habit planners. The truth is, 90% of your uploads won't sell. And honestly, that's the boring part. But if just one product starts selling 3 times a day at $5 profit, that's $450 every month. Find 5 of those products and you're easily at $500 a week. The third one, and honestly one of my favorites, is content repurposing for businesses. And this one is criminally underrated, but by far the most powerful. Every business wants to be on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, but they don't have the time or the skills. So you take their long form videos, podcasts, YouTube uploads, or webinars, use AI tools like Opus Clip, Descript, or Pictory to cut them into 10 or 20 short clips. Although you can do this manually, you can use AI to add captions, schedule a post, and then finally when it's done, you can send it back. And the best part? This method is extremely scalable. You can hire a VA, use more AI tools, and suddenly you're managing dozens of clients. But at its core, it's just boring editing. That's why so few people start and why it works so well. So the fourth point is AI research and summarization. And this one honestly feels almost too boring. But in 2025, information overload is real. Businesses, creators, and professionals don't need more data. They need filtered and summarized insights. And honestly, AI is perfect for this. Tools like Perplexity, Claude, and ChatGPT can scan reports, white papers, or long articles and turn them into one-paragraph summaries. A law firm might pay you to actually summarize new legal rulings into a one-page brief. Or a YouTuber might pay you to research 5 competitors and then break down what's not working and what's working. A real estate agent might want market trends summarized by zip code. You can charge $100 per report, do 5 a week, and that's your $500. And finally, the fifth point is AI-assisted tutoring or coaching. Sounds extremely boring, but this is one of the most recession-proof industries in the world. Parents spend billions every year on extra help for kids in math, writing, test prep, and languages, and AI doesn't replace the human side of tutoring or coaching, it amplifies it. You can generate practice questions or tests in seconds, or you can get AI to grade full essays or provide instant feedback. Charge $25 to $50 an hour, do just 10 hours a week, and you're easily hitting the $500 a week mark. You don't need to be a genius in the subject. With AI in your corner, you just need to be one step ahead and just know how to guide the student. The truth is, in 2025, the most boring ways to make money are the most reliable. And AI doesn't mean you'll get rich overnight. It means you can do what people already pay for faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. Pick just one of these methods, stay consistent, and $500 every week isn't just possible. If you work on these long enough, it's guaranteed. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Make sure to watch this video right here, and as always, thank you for watching.